Welcome back again. Uh, Before just starting my presentation, I would like to show you one article that MD Tariqul Islam bhai, he was asking to, show an article from where we can develop or we can adopt our measurement that I have used in my questionnaire. I'm just sharing that. So just look at the title of the article: Restaurant Hygiene Attributes and Consumers' Fear of COVID-19. Does psychological distress matter? Okay. So in that article, what is their framework? Okay. So it was the framework actually, where they have developed the relationship and all, developed hypotheses, and finally they analyzed. Maybe they have used smart PLS, but our concern is from where we can get our questionnaire. Look, table number 2. In table number 2, the result of construct validity and reliability of latent construct. Okay, so here the construct is variable. The variable is customer use space. Okay, so in customer use space, the CR AV slip that it is it is done in smart PLS. So think about the convex alpha. Alpha value is 0.85. But in the right side, there is a column named items CUS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they have written the statement. Like for CUS 1, they have written that this restaurant cleans areas where water is congested. For example, sink, toilets, and washroom floors using disinfectants. And for CUS2, the statement was this restaurant washes its lobby using antibacterial products and practices. In CUS3, so from that only you can adopt your questionnaire. Like you can take that variables for your articles, as we are conducting the quantitative article. So those who use qualitative format or mixed method, they are having the chance of developing own variable. But whenever we'll be conducting any quantitative article, that time the variables are already established variable. Those are already established variables. Sometimes what we do actually, we just refresh the variable, but those are already established. So from those, we can collect all the measurement items. Like for personal hygiene of staff, there are 6 items of measurement. For workplace hygiene, there are 4 items of measurement. Consumer fear of COVID-19, there are 7 items of measurement. Okay, so I think you get a brief idea how we will add up questionnaire.
So from your explanation, I already understand. So I think after I make the questionnaire, I can like put it like maybe these 5 questionnaire will be go through these factors.
Yes.
That kind of I can put the questionnaire divisions, and when I design the questionnaires, and based on the questionnaire, I can design the factors. Maybe each of the factors, maybe 3 questionnaire, 4 questionnaires. It can be happen.
Each of the variables will consist of more than three statement. That is statement in the sense questionnaire. The measurement items, those are the questionnaire. Those are the questions actually that you are asking people to give their statement, to give their perception on this statement. So you are using it as your tool. So those are the research tool. Like WH1, WH2, WH3, WH4. Those are the actually research tool. that you will be using in your questionnaire to get the response from the respondents.
Okay, I got it.
Right.
It was clear and brief.
I'm just going through my questionnaire. Like, look at my variable. It was a variety of products, service quality, and repurchase intention. Okay, so here I have said that rate your perception on the following statement, where 1 is the strongly disagree, 2 disagree, 3 neutral, 4 agree, 5 strongly agree. Okay, so BP1 is the code name, is the code of the first measurement items of that variable. So here I have written various types of products was available there in the e-commerce website. The second statement says that different types of brands was available, and the third statement it is saying that the e-commerce website was consisting of different types of international brand along with the local brand. That means these 3 statements, they represent the variety of the product of that particular platform. Okay, and in the like for SQ1, it is the service quality. So SQ1, 2, 3, these 3 are the measurement items for the variable service quality. So in the first question, we have said that the service of the e-commerce platform was good enough. The e-commerce authority provides the first delivery. The e-commerce authority takes each customer complaint
Seriously.
And for repurchase intention, like repurchase, what does it mean? I have purchased and I'm intending to purchase again from that platform. I purchased something from a particular platform, and as you are from tourism industry, so I'm just giving an example from that field, because my major is also tourism. Like for my thesis, I'm conducting on revisit destination choice intention. Okay, so in terms of smart tourism, how I'm influencing to choose a particular destination, just leave it. If we have, just for example, if you have visited Cox's, so what factors will influence you to make a revisit to that particular tourist destination?
Particular
Okay,
destination. Yeah.
those are the influences, those are the determinants. So that's what I'm saying. Like I have already visited, but I want to make it again. I want to visit that place. I want to make another visit to that place. So for that, repurchase intention, the statement was, I am satisfied after making the purchase from that e-commerce platform. The statement 2 is saying, I will purchase from that e-commerce platform. The 3 saying, I will recommend my family and friends about the e-commerce platform.
It's last question is like a word of mouth, I think.
Word of mouth, yes.
Yeah, word of mouth. Just
word of mouth,
spread the good recommendation to the others.
Yes, because word of mouth, obviously it will influence.
Yeah.
Basically, consumer, in terms of buying tangible or intangible product, we mostly influenced by the word of mouth. If anyone inform us that place is good, and I mean blindly, sometimes we started believe that
yeah, that goods is reliable and good.
Reliable and good.
Right. Got it.
I got it, sir. I mean, that is the intention of the consumer, and it is too hard to work with the consumer, because every time their perception, it can be changed anytime. Their perception before one day and after one day, there will be huge difference.
Got it, sir. Sir, if you don't mind, like I send you a text in the Zoom platform in the personal chat box. If you don't mind, could you please check?
Sure, sir. I will definitely.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.